Good after morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 15th, 2022, and we're looking at our Tainung 64 sweet potatoes. All right, this is a patch that I had put here a while back, and throughout the year they've just been growing slowly. It's more of like a semi-understory location, so it gets somewhat dappled sunlight. Same thing over here. I've extended the patch to be in the dappled sunlight location. They seem to be doing very well. I'm not going to harvest until winter comes because I want to get these patches into of a more seasonal pattern when it comes to harvesting and replanting and all that kind of stuff. Anyhow, we're just checking the progress right now. We've got a few of these guys inside of these pots too, and they seem to be growing just fine. These ones look a little different as far as the leaves, so not sure what that's about. Probably something to do with nutrients, but they're growing. Also, the old patch was over here. I tried to grow some Seminole pumpkins here and all kinds of other stuff, and it just didn't take. But if you leave just a little sliver, tiny little bit of a tuber in the ground, you're going to get more of these popping up. I even had some over here. See that? But they don't seem to like the sun that much because they get scorched. You can tell because look, see, here's the vine, right? It came off of here. There's the vine, it continues. And it got scorched. Tried to grow out in the sun, got scorched. Plus, this year has been an unusually dry year throughout the summer. Haven't had barely any tropical weather, which is highly unusual for Florida. So, they haven't been doing so well this summer out in the full sun. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I will keep you updated on the progress of these Tainung 64 sweet potatoes. Have a great day.